Hi, this is Carl from the Paul's Humane Columbus Shelter. Hey, Carl. Can you shake? Oh, look at the baby. Come here, Carl. Get up. Come on, Carl. Get up, Carl. Come on. Carl is a super cute 2-year-old terrier mix who we brought to our shelter from animal control. He is an excellent leash walker and has the most gentle personality. Carl seems to know how to sit. Sit, Carl, sit. And shake. Shake, Carl. Let me have your paw. There you go, good boy. And sometimes he'll sit beside you and he'll give you his paw to hold. He would make a good addition to an easygoing, low-key family.